In today's video, we're going to show you Acdsee 2024's new AI function to manipulate photos. Here we go. The photos here, it'll take you to the edit menu, which is what we have here. And then we're gonna select the AI face edit. So it'll just detect the face into the picture, and then it'll give us the options of what we can do. So we're just going to wait until it loads the face data here, and we're just going to see what this function on the left side does here. So it says here face, face width, jawline, jaw length, chin size. Oh, interesting. So let's see what these do. Let's see what the AI function does. We're just going to go and slide it to the right a bit. Wow, look at that. It literally made my face wider. Okay, we're just going to select it. Wow, whoa, look at that. So you can widen the face or shorten the face like this. And then you can adjust the jawline. Wow, that's amazing. And this is all through AI that is doing this. The jawline there, and then we're going to select the jaw length. Wow, that's amazing. And then there's the chin size. That's not my chin, that's my lip. There is a margin of error to it. So we're going to go increase the size of the forehead. That doesn't look too different. Okay, so the forehead size is adjusting, and then the cheekbones, we're going to adjust that. Oh, look, there's my cheekbones. That's awesome. So now you can go to eyes, and then you can set the size for the eyes, and it sets the size for both eyes by default. And then you can also set the height of both by default. And then you can set the width by default. And then the spacing, like that. See? Look at those eyeballs. So we're going to set the spacing here. And then also the direction horizontal. And you can also set vertical direction. And then there's the sharpen function. And then the whitening function. Let's see how the whitening. Let's see how that works. Wow, that looks totally different compared to what you see here. That's amazing. So I'm going to show you the bottom here. So that's the bottom, and then this is the stuff that was applied with AI. That's insanity. Look at that. Like it's interesting to say the least. So then you can go eyebrows, nose, skin. Okay, let's customize the skin here. And then you can go smooth wrinkles. Nice. Smooth wrinkles. You can smooth crow's feet. You can, there's some smoothing there. Wow, that's really cool. So yeah, look at my face. It's a lot smoother. And then you can also add some glow. Wow. Too much glow. Too much glow. Too much glow. Okay, don't need that much glow. Let's see how it is all the way down. Okay, that's about right. And then there's also a makeup function here. So if you press on the makeup, you can go through lip saturation. You can adjust the saturation of the lips. You can adjust the hue of the lips here. Now, notice that it didn't get my lip because my lips are way down here. So there will be some error in that when you try to edit that. So if that happens, then just adjust your picture properly. So we're just going to go and take that away, take the saturation away. There we go. And then, yeah, that's really cool. That is the AI face manipulation that they have here on the new Acdsee Photo Studio Ultimate. That's really cool. That is a new function. I never seen that before. That's a great update. If you want to manipulate your photos to a certain way, then this AI face edit is for you. So that's all that they needed me to cover here, because I already covered everything in the other video here. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions about other features in the app, just leave me a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So have a great day and we'll see you next time for another tutorial video. Bye bye for now.